Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a completely Thai style chicken with cashew nut. So a while ago I made a video for a Thai chicken cashew nut, but that recipe was more towards a Chinese style chicken cashew nuts, which most recipes basically follow. But recently my wife and I have been going to a Thai restaurant. It's a restaurant near where we have our business, and every time I go there I've been eating their version of Thai chicken and cashew nut, and I actually prefer their version better. It is slightly similar to the Chinese style of chicken cashew nut, except that there is more Thai chili paste and one ingredient. And that ingredient is this. This is Thai basil. You might also heard it referred to as sweet basil. And it's got a little bit of a slight licorice flavor. This is used for cooking as well as condiments. People add this to their noodle soups. And of course, there will be plenty of Thai chili paste. And it is these two ingredients that sets it apart from the Thai Chinese style of chicken cashew nuts, or even chicken cashew nuts in a Chinese restaurant that you've had in your home country. And then here I have chicken breast. I need to cut out about 150 grams. And here's 4 dried red chilies. This is 10 grams of garlic that I'm just gonna chop up. There's 30 grams of cashew nuts. These are roasted and salted already. I love cashew nuts. And if you're ever able to make it over to Thailand someday and you love cashew nuts, then get ready to buy a bunch of cashew nuts in Thailand, because cashew nuts are grown in Cambodia and also along the borders of Thailand and Cambodia. So you can buy like a 1 kilogram bag, which is about 2.2 pounds for about $8, which is a very, very good price. And here I have a small onion. This is about 120 grams. And just a small tomato. This is also about 120 grams. And for the sauce, like I said, there is Thai chili paste, just a little bit of soy sauce, some oyster sauce, white sugar, finally some chicken seasoning powder. This is used in a lot of Southeast Asian cooking. It's basically MSG, but it's also mixed with other seasoning spices. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is cut up my chicken and just season it lightly. And the restaurant I go to, they cut their chicken thin. It's a very busy restaurant, and that's why they need to prepare all their dishes fast. All right, so that's it. This is 150 grams. Okay, so to season the chicken, I just need 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of Shaoxing wine, a dash of ground white pepper, and 2 teaspoons of corn flour, or for the folks in the USA, it's cornstarch. Just give it a mix, combine all the ingredients, and just chop up the onion. And just cut up the tomato. And just chop up the garlic. For the dried chilies, just take up the stems. And then I have here just 1 stalk of green onion. Just chop it up. And I already picked off my Thai basil. This is about 10 grams. And that's that. So now time to pre-make the sauce. And the main sauce here is the Thai. And the main sauce here is Thai chili paste. And I need about 2 generous tablespoons of Thai chili paste. I know it looks wicked hot, but it's not. Trust me, it is actually more sweet than it is hot. So don't worry, it's not gonna kill you. And then here's 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. This is a tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon of sugar. And 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning powder. And we just mix it up. Okay, so that's it. Wasn't it fast? So it is this sauce that what separates from totally Thai style chicken cashew nuts to a Thai Chinese style chicken cashew nut. And I can only find this style of Thai chicken cashew nut at that restaurant, and all the other ones make it a Thai Chinese style. And as you can see, there's only minimum ingredients, but there's maximum flavors. So for me, it was totally fun to reverse engineer this dish, and I'm telling you, it's awesome. All right, so this is a stir fry, so have your heat at the maximum. It's gonna cook a little bit fast, so I have all your ingredients at the ready. My wok is starting to smoke. I'm gonna add oil. Then I'm gonna throw in my garlic. And my chicken. When the chicken starts to turn brown, we toss in our onions. And keep stirring your ingredients. Then I'm going to toss in my chilies and my tomato. Stir that around. Cashew nuts. And all of the sauce. Check out the color. Isn't it a beautiful color? Okay, now I'm going to lower the heat to a medium. Throw in my spring onions. And also my Thai basil. And just switch off the heat. The Thai basil will wilt down with the residual heat, so there's no need to cook it any further. Because if you cook Thai basil too long, it's going to become flavorless. And that's it. And there it is. This is a totally Thai style chicken with cashew nuts. It smells so good. And of course, get some rice out. All right, let's give this baby a taste. My chicken. The chicken's got that sweet, savory flavor from the Thai chili paste. And whoever thought up about pairing chicken and cashew nuts together is like a genius. If I was to list the best inventions in the world, I would say chicken and cashew nuts is between penicillin and toilets. And the Thai basil just brings in the sweetness. Thai basil tastes like a sweeter version of licorice, and is just a great complement to this chicken dish. I'm telling you, I can eat this all day long. So if you like chicken and cashew nut, definitely try this one out. And trust me, it's not really spicy at all. Okay everyone, so thank you again for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and do share it with your friends. If you're new watching me for the very first time, please subscribe. I try and make new videos about once every week or so. And to all my current subscribers, thank you very much for joining me. And I especially love comments that are encouraging and offer me suggestions. I'm still new to this and I need it. Okay everyone, so hope to see you all again next time. Take care and goodbye.